I'm Kyle Bachus. On April 28th of 2020, my mom was killed as a result of someone else's negligence. It's completely changed my life and the way I practice law. If you too have felt the pain of losing a loved one and you don't know where to turn, let me be your guide on what to do next when the unthinkable happens. You should not assume, even if it just looks like a personal vehicle, you shouldn't assume that they're not working as a contractor for DoorDash or one of these other services. Don't make those assumptions. Have somebody figure it out for you. There are so many people now out on the roadway who are driving for other companies like Uber or Lyft. It's a game changer if they're driving as a delivery driver for any company. All of the states that allow these rideshare drivers to drive have implemented mandatory insurance requirements while those drivers are engaged in work for rideshare companies, even though they're independent contractors. With Uber, if the platform is open, meaning they're available to pick up a ride, just opening that platform opens insurance. It's now Uber's insurance. So if the Uber app is open and they've actually picked up a ride and there is somebody who's a passenger in that Uber or Lyft vehicle at the time that the crash occurs, now there's $1 million of insurance. Not just $1 million of insurance available for the person who might be hit by that Uber driver, but for the passenger in that Uber as well. So every time that you step into an Uber or a Lyft, if that Uber or Lyft gets involved in a crash and it's that Uber driver's fault and you're injured, there's $1 million of coverage to help cover your injuries. Now that's a game changer from if you're just hopping in a ride from somebody who's not driving for Uber and the same thing happens and it's their personal insurance and they've got the street legal minimum and it's $25,000 worth of coverage. You see the difference, right? But it doesn't stop with Uber or Lyft. When somebody's driving for DoorDash, they don't have a sign. It doesn't usually say DoorDash. They're driving for Drizzle. It doesn't say that they're driving for Drizzle. They're driving for Shipt, delivering somebody's groceries. It doesn't say. It just looks like a private passenger vehicle. I'm tired of hearing from people who find out later, oh man, I heard that person was driving for DoorDash, but I already signed a release. Gone. Case is gone. Oh, you sign a release, it's gone. The time to figure it out is on the front side. If you're seriously injured, you need a serious lawyer who's going to do this serious work to find out true collectability. And that's what we do. We handle cases nationally, helping people just like you answer these very important questions.